Okay, I'm on my way out of the building that I live in Renton Highlands here to video a visitor that we have, a young buck deer, just sprouting his antlers. And seen him around here a few times, but each time I come out, I think he's gonna be gone, so I don't bring my phone. This time, we're gonna see if we could get it. Okay, there he is. He's standing up there now. We're gonna see if we could zoom in on him here. There he is. He's just a young buck there. And he seems to be friendly. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in on him here. There he is. He's just standing there looking. He's been out there eating all day. And it's raining. It's Seattle weather here. He's looking at us. He's shaking. Think he know he on camera. He's wiggling his rear end there. Hope he ain't getting ready to charge me. You know how young bucks are. They think they could do everything. I never seen a deer do that before. He wiggling his rear end. And this is kind of a woodsy surrounding that we live in here. And this is the building that I just came out of here. Very beautiful here. Serene, pristine, green, lush, clean air. And back to our visitor. See if I can zoom in a little bit more. This is in the Renton Highlands, Seattle, Washington. It's in King County, Martin Luther King Jr. County here. And this is really beautiful here, you know, to be able to see wildlife in the city like this. You know, this is in a greenbelt area, which is as you can see, is a utility easement here, there's the power poles right there. So these deer, they travel along this corridor here, unscathed because, this is good, and we just so happen to live next door to utility easement, power line easement. You're looking at me. So he's been out here eating, they graze and they eat a lot of grass, so they live in a supermarket. I'm maybe about 30, 40 feet away from him right now. And he took off, so yeah, I believe that animals, they know who you are. They know if you're a threat to them, they're going to leave or either they're going to attack you. But he just, they're eating and looking. It just goes to show you the magnificence of our God here. He created all of this here. And we know who we are. And that's if you're in the spirit. If you're in the right spirit, there'll be a little bit of conflict. That's what's going on in the world right now. A little bit of conflict. Nothing new under the sun. I've seen a number of these here since I've been here. I live here just a little over a year right now. And I used to see a herd of them coming through here. This could be one of the ones that growed up a year later. But there was some babies with the doe. And I seen the dad with a full rack on it. And it was the dad that I walked out here one night, and he surprised me because he was over there drinking water out of we have a little drainage deal here, and he looked up and I seen that rack on his head, and I started heading back for the door because he wouldn't tolerate nobody messing with his family. There was a doe and look like two fawns. This could be one of them right here a year later, because they come back to their natural habitat, and the fawns, they still have spots on them, you know, so that means they were just born. And this is a young buck here. So I'm wondering where his uh, siblings are. It's raining here. The rain kind of let up right now. So that's why I'm out here. I got an umbrella, but it's nice weather. I like it. Clean, scratching his chin. They groom themselves, you know. And I was out here earlier and I seen him, it was pouring down rain, and I seen him shake the rain off, and it was a cloud around him when he did it. You know, all the water droplets spraying off of him, the whole body. Grooming himself from head to tail. Wow. Wish I could do that. Wow. Turn around and clean yourself all the way from the front to the back. And he's just here, what, I'm about maybe 30 feet away from him right now. And he's just standing there, so ain't no fear involved here. Or else he would have done took flight. So he ain't scared of me, and I ain't scared of him. I see his antlers budding on his head there. You know, they still got peach fuzz on them. Okay, I believe this is enough of this for today. I'm going to conclude this, and it's just been a pleasure, double measured, being able to videotape this to share with other people here. Uh, I take delight in it. And we're going to conclude this right now. And I'm going to thank this young buck here for allowing me to make this video of him. And he moving off right now. Look at his stride. And he's a nice sized guy here too, you know. I mean, Yeah, he's growing up right nice. See if I can get in a little closer here. Yeah, he looked up at me here. Okay, that's a wrap for today here. I'm gonna get back inside here because I got dinner cooking. It's Sunday evening here. It is 8 p.m. precisely right now, and